The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charlotte County until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Williamsburg, or near Red Oak, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keysville, Red Oak, Williamsburg, and Fort Mitchell. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Charlotte County, southeastern Halifax County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dryburgh, or 7 miles east of South Boston, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Scottsburg, Heightsburg, Cluster Springs, Stanton River State Park, and Dryburgh. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mecklenburg County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarksville, Oregon, 11 miles south of Chase City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Boynton around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nelson, Rogers Corner, Richardson, Beechwood, Buffalo Junction, Heats, John H. Kerr Dam, Finchley, Epps Fork, and John H. Kerr Reservoir.
Okay, I was not expecting this at all.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Mecklenburg County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clarksville, Oregon, 13 miles south of Chase City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Boynton around 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Richardson, Beechwood, Heats, John H. Kerr Dam, Finchley, Epps Fork, John H. Kerr Reservoir, Baskerville, Palmer Springs, and Skipwith. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mecklenburg County until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clarksville, Boynton, Buffalo Springs, Finchley, Skipworth and Buffalo Junction. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County in central North Carolina, northwestern Warren County in central North Carolina, northern Granville County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oxford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Norlena, Kittrell, Stovall, Middleburg, Gilbert, Steel Creek Marina and Campground, Kerr Lake and South Henderson. The tornado warning for thunderstorm warning for Franklin County. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Vance County, Warren County, Northeastern Nash County, Halifax County, Northeastern Franklin County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Lewisburg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Henderson, Warrenton, Halifax, Littleton, Enfield, Weldon, Castalia, Macon, and Centerville. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. If on or near area lakes, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Halifax, Nash, Vance, and Warren.